Well, everybody, Mad Dog Motorsports back here, and we got ourselves a new 2018 project. 2002 Subaru Forester. She is clean, 400 bucks for it. She's going to the Derby. She'll be running the Airborne show, the Airborne Speedway Demolition Derby in October or September, whenever they decide they're going to do it. Won't be running any county fairs, but we'll be running those fairs. It's a 5-speed. From what I've seen of it, it's a clean car. So I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Seems tough. It's 4-speed, they're pretty tough. But she's got a 2.5 in her. .5 4-cylinder. And she runs like a champ though. I had the keys, I sorted up, but I don't have the keys, so it ain't gonna happen. But this is not her final resting place. This is just where the Derby HQ is gonna be. She'll be going up to Hartness, New York here shortly. But until then, I'll keep you guys tuned. This is just a small update on the car. I'll do a small walk around on it. Clean. A little bit of rust in the back bumpers. That's just surface rust, so I ain't worried about it. Struts are good. A little soft tire. 5 luggers. Not bad. A little bit of damage here, but once I get through it, a little bit of core support damage to it, but ain't nothing. Radiator's still good.